Welcome guys, let's start to design a simple part in our Catia software. So first you can see a model of this as shown in this PDF file. Let's start to design this part in our Catia software. So first of all, open this Catia, go to start, make sure to go in shape, generate to shape design. Press OK. And as usual, we are not using this three plane. So head this plane and create our own axis system. For creating this, create one point which is act as origin and insert axis system to this point. Now let's start to create first of all this sketch. So go to sketch positioning, select this XY plane, origin as this projected point, orientation is parallel to this line. And first of all we have to create one line here, horizontal line, having value as 85, and create one arc here from this to somewhere here, and radius value for this arc actually is 1000 mm, and it is present at height of, adjust this as somewhere here, because the total length for this is, make sure to measure horizontal, is 250. And make sure to make you from this also, and it is to half of 250. From center actually it is present at this to this is 70, half of 77, and this to this present at from half of 100 means 50. Now over this one side sketch is done, and make sure to sketch this 2D sketch on other side also. So select this line, full line, go to mirror command and select this horizontal axis, and now just close this sketch to this, and this. Now you can see how this 2D sketch is fully constrained. Exit this 2D sketch workbench, and now use, make sure you are in geometrical set only, and now go to surface tab and select extrude part here, select this sketch and extrude in only in one direction, which is in Z direction, with height of, we will take as 30. Increase some height to 50. I had this initial sketch. Now again we have to draw this side, so go to sketch positioning, select this ZY plane, origin as this projected point and parallel to this line. And let's start to create this part. So first of all, create one arc somewhat like this, and give dimension to this arc, and radius value is given as 750. So it is going to go out of sketch. Make sure to come back to our surface part only, and decrease some length of this, and height, give height also. This is present at height of 30 mm from this horizontal axis. Now draw one line from here to here, somewhat here, which is tangent to this arc, and length of this line is actually 30. Draw another line also from this end, this, and length of this is actually 20. Make sure from this to this the length should be half of 250. From this to this, this vertical axis to this, value is half of 250. Now you can see what this sketch is complete. Just check all dimensions are given. Yes, all dimensions are given. Now exit this 2D sketch workbench, and now use extrude command again from the surface tab and select this surface. Extrude from both sides, make it some extrude value up to 80 we can take here. Now we have to trim this upper part and this side surface, because these surfaces are intersected. Now we have to remove some unwanted surface here. So go to, first of all, go to trim, definition from this operation tab, select this surface and this surface. Now you can see this inside part is removed, but we don't want inside, to make sure to make here other side first, and the bottom side is removed, but we want this bottom side, so make it other side here. Now you can see upper side is removed and this side is removed, and this is perfect, and this situation we want, so make it view here and press OK. Now you can see part is surface is perfect. Now just we see what our dimensions are actually correct or not. So give proper dimension to this also. Actually height from both sides is given as 30. Now it is perfect. Now exit this code sketch workbench and we can see our body is updated automatically. Now we have to make solid to this part and then we can use some oil here, fillets and this pockets here. So make this surface to solid. So change our workbench part design and make sure you are in a part body design object. So right click for this part body and make sure to design work object. Now go to insert and surface visual feature and select close surface here. Select this surface and make it close. Now you can see this part is fully closed and the surface is converted into solid. So go to here tool, now to hide and hide all surfaces. Now hide this part also, this sketch also. Now give some fillets here. So fillet for these four round corners. Go to edge fillet definition, select this all four side edges. Value for this is 5. Make it blue and press OK. And go to fillet again. We have to do this. Select upper edge and radius value for this upper edge is fillet value is 15 mm. Select here 15 mm. You can see actually we have changed some dimension because this 5 is 15 actually and this value is 5. Now you can see our this part is perfectly created. Just some pockets we have to make. Before in the pocket, this part is having some part thickness. So here you can see a 3 mm part thickness for this part. So for creating this, go to shell command, select this bottom face and give here thickness as 3 mm. Now you can see a 3 mm part thickness is created here. And now for creating this pocket, go to sketch positioning, select this ZY plane, origin of this projected point, orientation is parallel to this line. And create one rectangle here, some horizontal type of rectangle here, and dimension for this is 150 length. From center, present at 75 mm from origin. The actual height of this is, we can see from this side. Height of this is very small, it is 5. And make sure to coincide this base of this rectangle to horizontal axis. Now you can see our this sketch is fully constrained. Now I can see this to the sketch workbench. Use pocket command here from the sketch based feature. Now use check this mirror extend and increase some value, or you can use up to next. Up to next is only for one side because we have choose mirror action, so increase just value. So make sure to discover this cell also full and this cell also. Now you can press OK. Now you can see this pocket is created nicely and our this part is completed perfectly. Like this we can see in here in this PDF the same isometric view we are created in here Catia software.